Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and a clean card. This protects the camera during the process. First, charge the battery fully or attach the AC adapter so the camera cannot shut off. Next, format an SD card in the camera and copy only the extracted firmware folder to the card root. Once done, power off the camera, insert the card, and hold the camera's menu button as you turn it on to access the update routine. This starts the firmware sequence immediately. You will now perform the install itself. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Go to Menu, then Setup, then Firmware Version and choose to Update. The camera will detect the file on the card. Confirm you want to proceed and make sure you do not remove the card or cut power. Interrupting here can brick the camera. The update shows a progress bar and status. The camera may restart automatically. When the screen returns to normal, verify the firmware version to confirm success. You finish by confirming the installed version in Menu Setup Firmware Version. That verifies the process completed. After confirmation, format the SD card in camera to remove the update file, and if needed, reload your custom settings or restore a backup. If the update fails or the camera won't boot, power cycle, try a different formatted SD card, and re-download the exact firmware for A7iv. If problems persist, contact Sony service. This one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.